Hey friends, Dave here at Transfer Express, and today we're talking all about AI. From increasing productivity to enhancing your capabilities or even improving your customer's experience, AI tools are being utilized more than ever to help small businesses and entrepreneurs do more with the same amount of time. And time is money, right? Now you may already be using AI, and that is fantastic, but if you aren't, you've seriously got to give it a try. So today I am covering the top 3 free AI tools that I've found to work and make a difference for small businesses and apparel decorators. So are you ready? Let's get to it. First up off the bat, we are going to cover the most popular free AI tool and one of the originals, Chat GPT from OpenAI. Now, if you haven't already, you need to try this tool. And maybe you have tried it and thought, this is real cool, but I don't really see a practical use. Well, I am very glad that you are here because I want to help you and your business. Now, just to back it up, ChatGPT is an advanced language program designed to generate text responses in a very natural language. Essentially, like Google, but instead of search results, it types back to you like how a real human would respond. Now, this free tool can be an incredible catalyst to help you with almost an unlimited number of tasks, from research to writing and pretty much everything in between. Now, responses are pretty quick, and while sometimes they could get a little zany, for the most part, it is very spot on. One thing with AI tools is it really comes down to the prompt. And with the language models, any information you feed it kind of within the same thread. So it could use that to help craft a response better suited to you or your business. Now, ask for some social media post ideas or have it craft a calendar of content that's optimized to expand your audience. Giving it those objectives can help tailor responses for actionable items, or just use it for some strategy or broad advice. Now, you could ask it to ask you questions to better understand your business and audience. Say, for a print shop, type in a prompt like, I'm going to ask you to write a social media marketing plan for my business, but I want you to understand my business and customers. Ask 5 or ask 10 questions to better understand my business. Now from there, we can answer the prompts and bam, it's going to spit us out a personalized marketing plan. And now while it's not perfect and won't outperform a pro social media marketing team, it's going to seriously help you, a solo entrepreneur or small team, accomplish a whole lot more. Now, you could even get more specific and ask then for a content calendar that corresponds with the plan it just gave you. Apparel decorators or any business really could use this not only for planning and marketing strategy, but even for the copy and content for those social posts too. Even if you want to include certain hashtags that are relevant to your audience, it'll spit those out too. How cool is that? Now, product descriptions or website copy, no problem. Plug in the info and what you want, or even the tone of voice, and just like that, you've got it. Now, I do want to mention that straight up copy and paste AI content here can hurt your website. Google's doing their absolute best to find the most relevant content, and it's got its eyes out for obviously AI-generated content stuffed with keywords. I always recommend reading back through what it gives you and editing any forward-facing copy to sound more like your brand and how you would actually talk to your customers. Now, of course, that's a lot quicker than having to write everything yourself. Now, one really handy trick here is using it to respond to emails. Now, if you're like me, you probably spend way too long crafting the right response to emails or finding the most creative way to maybe politely decline a project. Well, ChatGPT to the rescue. Now, there's even some great email plugins with paid services that work right in your inbox to help with just a couple clicks. Those models even learn to respond in the language that you actually talk in. But alas, I'm not going to talk about paid tools. Free tools only here in this video. Speaking of free, ChatGPT is free. But the paid upgrade to the Plus plan offers access to the latest and greatest models and includes access to DALL-E. More on that in just a minute. And of course, there's those plugins that can help you automate even more. Premium all but eliminates the slow responses that can be common with the free version of ChatGPT, but even for free, you'll still have unlimited messages and a detailed history of all of your conversations for pretty much all time. Now, if you thought ChatGPT and OpenAI was cool, the next tool has been one of my favorite things in the past year, and that is AI image generation. Now, using bing.com/create and a free Microsoft account, you'll have access to the powerful DALL-E 3 image creation software for free. Now, essentially, just like ChatGPT, you type in something here for a prompt, but this creates images for you instead. It'll draw up pretty much whatever you dream, which is fun all by itself, but when used to help with t-shirt designs is when it really starts making a huge difference, saving you a ton of time. Now, not only is it getting really good, like can even render text, kind of, and gets fingers right, or at least the number of fingers on human hands, but it could be an incredible tool in your tool belt. As a graphic designer myself for nearly the past 20 years, I view it as a little helper. And when used correctly, it could really expand your capabilities and absolutely wow your customers. Now, I use it personally a lot for those styles that I'm not necessarily the most well-versed in. So I don't have to turn down art or outsource to a graphic designer or an illustrator that could get that. I'm able to incorporate some of those elements into my designs. Now, it's still going to require you and the good information or prompts that you provided. Just like ChatGPT, be very specific in your prompt for the best results. So for example, an ice cream cone and a sunset is going to yield vastly different results than something closer to what you're actually looking for. Say, a simple illustration of an ice cream cone and a sunset in Art Deco style, limited color, isolated on a navy background. Now see, the right prompt makes all the difference. And with just a couple rolls of the dice, or maybe modifying your prompts, you could usually get what you're looking for in just a few attempts. Now, it's great for inspiration and ideation or specific elements, almost like clip art, and can get you most of the way if you're not a pro graphic designer. Say, a simple logo and illustration for Tom's Beach Suites of an ice cream cone and a sunset in Art Deco style, limited color on a navy background, gives us some great ideas, but this is not exactly usable t-shirt artwork. However, this is where other free tools come in the clutch, like the free EasyView Online Designer at transferexpress.com. Here we could grab the low resolution image we created with one of those first prompts and upload it right here into EasyView. You're going to get asked right away if you want to remove the background, which our background's not white, so we'll move on. We'll use the image editor function here by clicking on spot color in the dropdown on this second step when importing. And then from here, we can edit this import or continue and drop it into our artboard. Recolor it, and then even combine our new piece of custom clip art from the AI here with text to build our own logo or artwork. With over 250 fonts and a variety of easy-to-use effects, in just a couple minutes, we've got our new logo set. Now we could even drop this little cone and sunset into one of the thousands of pre-made layouts in EasyView, and with just a couple double clicks of the text here, we could change it to whatever we want. Now from here, ordering screen printed or direct-to-film transfers to print with your heat press is easy. With accurate costs and turn times configurable right here at the bottom of the screen. And you can even mock up t-shirts here too, using a selection of stock blanks or browsing the entire catalog of blank wholesale styles. Now EasyView is free to use. All you have to do is sign up for a Transfer Express account, unlocking the powerful editing tools that makes ordering custom heat transfers simple, straightforward, and easy. So while AI image generation here does make truly custom artwork, you are going to need to manipulate it just a little bit. Now, we did a full video detailing the process. If you'd like to learn more, we'll link it here and down in the description. Of course, free is awesome, but Bing's image creator comes with just a few limitations. You'll get 15 tokens daily for quick returns on prompts, and sometimes it is too busy and just won't return any requests. You'll likely have trouble with licensed materials. Any well-known people like celebrities or likeness or any obscenity is against the terms of service, and the system just will not return any responses to your prompt. Now, the last program that we're going to cover here today in our list of free AI tools is Trevor, a simple calendar with an AI scheduling assistant. Now, here we have a calendar built to help you stay on top of tasks and merge any of your daily or recurring habits or schedules with the powerful suggestions that fit into your calendar. Set due dates and the time to complete tasks, stack them up in a big to-do list, and it's instantly going to show you where it fits into your schedule. I simply love the calendar here. With a clutter-free and easy drag and drop interface, it seamlessly merges with your existing calendar and won't touch or move anything you manually put on the calendar. Now, with daily, 3-day, or weekly views, you can stay on top of tasks, production, meetings, and the all-important you time to help you stay focused and not get overwhelmed. Now, something that's easier said than done when you're running a shop and wearing so many hats. Now, this software learns as you go and starts to adapt to your schedule the more you interact with it. Now, it's even going to reprioritize tasks that get bumped or left incomplete to keep them top of mind and back on the schedule. The basic free plan on Trevor here is the most robust scheduling that I have found on the internet, with some premium features available like advanced learning, improved accuracy, and even some personal analytics for an incredibly low monthly subscription. It's definitely helped me personally become more productive, and I find myself enjoying scheduling tasks like never before. Never thought I'd say that, but just like any calendar, it's up to you to keep it up to date. Of course, I do want to mention that while we covered some options that are zero cost to use, there's a wide world of AI tools, plugins, and apps out there with upgraded and premium features similar to the ones that I touched on here in this video. Now, if you find that some of these free versions work for you, I recommend that you look at the upgraded plans or any additional software. Some of them are well worth the cost with the time that they're going to save you. Now, if you're using something that's really helped you and your business, let us know down in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you and check out that software. And with the new year off and running, let's make this one your best year yet. We'll be here at STAHLS Transfer Express to help and root you on in your small business journey every single step of the way, with education, inspiration, t-shirt business tips, and oh so much more. Now, we're kicking out new videos every single week, so be sure you're subscribed to stay up to date with the latest in apparel decorating. As always, we're happy to help in any way we can. If you need to reach us, you can always comment below, call, or email info@transferexpress.com. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing, or happy businessing. You got this. Go out there, crush it. 2024 is our year.